iPhone alarm sound not playing after the iOS 27 update? Some people are facing an issue where the alarm is completely silent to quiet or not ringing at all. Don't panic. Based on my research, I have found the most effective solution. Try each one and hopefully one of them will fix your alarm problem. First, open up your settings, go to Sound and Haptics, and make sure the ringtone and alerts volume is turned all the way up. If you're using iOS 27, you will get the option Match Ringtone Volume. So you just have to turn this off, then manually increase the alarm volume slider to the maximum. Also, open Control Center and make sure Do Not Disturb or any focus mode isn't enabled. Now go to Settings, then from Face ID and Passcode, turn off Attention Ever feature. Sometimes your iPhone lowers the alarm volume if it's detect you are near or looking at the screen. And after that, open the clock app, tap your alarm, then tap sound. Make sure it's not set to none and choose a different alarm sound just to test whether the current sound is causing the problem. If you're using a sleep schedule alarm for the Health app, try creating a regular alarm in the Clock app instead. This actually helps determine whether the issue is with the sleep schedule or the Clock app itself. Next, the thing you have to do, just delete your existing alarm and create them again. While setting them up, double check that you are selected the correct AM or PM time, since choosing the wrong one can make it seem like the alarm didn't go off. And then recreating your alarms can also clear a small glitch that sometimes happen after a major iOS update. The next thing you have to check that if your iPhone is connected to any Bluetooth device such as your earbud, speaker or anything else, disconnect them, then set a new alarm and test it again. And then you just have to check a major things from your settings, go to general, and then here go to date and time, and then you have to make sure set automatically is turned on. If the problem continues, just force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appears. Still having the same issue, open settings, go to general, then transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and choose reset all settings. This won't delete your photos, videos or apps, but it will reset your system settings that may be causing the alarm problem. So once it's done, you just have to create your alarm again from scratch as if you're setting them up the first time. And finally, after trying all of this process, just check for a newer iOS update. So if you see any update available, just update it right now. So hopefully one of this solution helped you out. Let me know which one, and thanks for your time.